On tap today is a 5th grade exam preview or review question, depending on where you are at in the school year. This one revolves around volume, and on the left-hand side I explained the difference between volume and area. Volume equals length times width times height, and area is length times width. Area is described in square units, volume is described in cubic units. Now the question asks, which diagram represents 1 cubic unit? In the first example, you have 1 by 1. That would give you 1 unit squared, because when you multiply a unit by a unit, you cannot do it numerically. It has to be word-based. Looking at the second example, it is 2 by 2 units over here, which gives you 4 units squared. Now, those two questions, when it's being unit squared, A and B are actually examples of area, not volume. When you're asked about a cubic unit, that involves volume. Looking at C, it is 2 by 2 by 2. Now we're getting into volume when you have 1, 2, 3 choices. Now, 2 by 2 by 2 is 2 times 2, which is 4, times 2, which is 8 cubic units. And lastly, we have 1 by 1 by 1 over here, which is 1 cubic unit, and that is the answer to our problem. The answer is D, because D represents 1 cubic unit. So you can see that correctly. I'll erase all of this, and you can take a look, once again, of area versus volume. And your correct answer is D. That is 1 cubic unit. That is a representation of volume. These problems and many others that I'm going to go over with you can be found on engagenewyork.org. And I hope you have a great day.